Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah. Okay.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. Okay, hope you like that sweet intro. Right now, I'm about to go to the lake, whatever, pond, whatever it is, same thing. And see you guys there. What is up, guys? I am here at the lake, pond, whatever it is. It is getting so annoying. Alright, let's get this started. I've only caught one fish. That's trying to vlog here, trying to fight me. So, it was actually right there. Right there. There's a big old bullfrog over there. Yeah, there's lots of fish underneath this entire deck, dock, whatever it is. Yeah, so let's hope I get some luck. There's a fish right here. See if I can't catch it. Oh, this is gonna suck. Hey, I caught something. And it's Mosk. Oh, it escaped. Oh, yay, right in that moss. Right where I want it. Totally. Son of a cracker. I caught moss. Yay. So annoying. Part of the reason why I hate fishing too. Fishing gives me something else to do. Yes. Huh? And it's a bit bluegill. Hey, at least I can catch a fish though. I'm just over here like, what the heck? Where's fishing game? I wish I could catch a minnow. Despacito. Baby fishy, can you please eat my hookie? I really need to catch a fishy for my YouTube channel. Despacito. I'm a desperate cito. Alright, that's it. I'm done. That's so gay. Well, what a day. I'm probably gonna just put, ooh, that was close. That was close. Look how close that hook was to my finger. Yeah, hopefully bullfrog hunting will be better. I put you guys up in the tree. That down there is where we're going bullfrog hunting. There's a bunch at night, so see you guys there.
She's a